Welcome to this beautiful country acreage in the heart of Iowa, where peaceful rural living meets modern comfort and space. This stunning property sits on nearly 8 acres of land, surrounded by mature trees, open fields, and a relaxing country atmosphere that makes you instantly feel at home. The house was originally built in 1880 and completely remodeled in 2007, giving it that perfect blend of historic charm and contemporary updates. Inside, you'll find about 1,900 square feet of living space, featuring 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, designed for comfort, convenience, and family living. The warm and welcoming interior flows beautifully, offering a cozy farmhouse feel with all the modern upgrades you'd expect. From the open living areas to the spacious kitchen and the bright natural light throughout, this house is move-in ready and full of charm. Step outside and you'll find a property that truly has it all: an attached garage, a detached garage, and even a finished she shed with a concrete floor, perfect for projects or quiet relaxation. But the highlight? A massive 60 by 80 building built for work, storage, or play, complete with a finished 40 by 40 shop that includes a car lift, air compressor, and plenty of cold storage space for all your equipment and toys. About 5 acres are enrolled in Iowa's non-taxable forest reserve, filled with oak, apple, walnut, spruce, and cedar trees, creating a private natural setting where you can enjoy wildlife, peace, and that true country lifestyle. This property really does have everything: space, privacy, and practicality, all wrapped up in one incredible rural retreat. Whether you're looking for a hobby farm, a family acreage, or a place to run your projects from home, this one's got it all. Don't miss your chance to make this beautiful Iowa acreage your own. It's the perfect balance of nature, comfort, and opportunity.